Ever wondered how to get flawless, natural curls without the dreaded clamp marks? Well, the Bed Head Curlipops 0.75 Tourmaline Ceramic Styling Iron promises just that. Effortlessly beautiful curls without those annoying creases. So let's dive in and see if this tool delivers on its promise. The Bed Head Curlipops wand is all about making curling your hair easy and damage-free. With its tourmaline ceramic barrel, this styling tool ensures your hair stays hydrated while you curl. That means you get shiny, soft curls with less heat damage, something we can all appreciate. The 0.75-inch barrel is perfect for creating those tight, bouncy curls, especially if you have short hair or want a more defined look. One of my favorite features is the 400-degree free temperature, which automatically heats up in no time. Whether you have thick, coarse hair or finer strands, it's a one-size-fits-all solution that ensures you get smooth curls no matter your hair type. Plus, it keeps a consistent temperature throughout styling, so you won't have to worry about hot spots or uneven curls. Let's talk ease of use. The wand is clamp-free, meaning you won't have to deal with those annoying indentations that traditional curling irons leave behind. Just wrap a small section of hair around the barrel, hold it for a few seconds, and release. It's that simple, and the heat protective glove that comes with it? A nice touch for added safety. Now, real talk, if you're someone who's always on the go, you'll love the fact that this styling iron has universal dual voltage. You can take it anywhere, and it'll work just fine, whether you're curling your hair at home or traveling abroad. But no product is perfect. The wand heats up quickly, but if you're not familiar with clamp-free styling, it may take a bit to get used to. You'll have to hold the hair in place manually, which can be a bit trickier for beginners, or if you're in a rush. In terms of value, this wand strikes a great balance. It's affordable for its features: tourmaline ceramic, adjustable heat, dual voltage, things you don't often find in a budget-friendly styling tool. But if you're looking for something more versatile, or want a wand with more size options, you might want to check out alternatives from brands like Conair or Revlon. They offer similar features, but if you need multiple barrel sizes, they might be worth considering. The build quality is solid, and it's lightweight, which means it's easy to handle for longer styling sessions. And while the plastic body feels a little basic, it doesn't compromise performance. For those looking for a tool that offers quick, consistent, and damage-free curls, the Bed Head Curlipops is definitely a winner. It's the perfect choice for anyone who wants shiny, bouncy curls without the hassle or the heat damage. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.